Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following question using various circle theorems. We have O is the center of the circle and OAB is parallel to the line CQ. The line PQ is equal to 6x. The line AB equals x plus 2 and OP equals 2x plus 7. Prove that angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees, and the second part of the question says calculate the value of x. Starting with the first part of the question, I'm going to start by labeling my circle. The line PQ, that's 6x, AB is x plus 2. I'm going to squeeze that in here. Then I have OP, 2x plus 7. And then to prove that OAP is 90 degrees, I will start by saying that my Q, or the angle at Q, as shown, is equal to 90 degrees. And the reason being, we have that as angle in a semicircle equals 90 degrees. Therefore, if you look at the diagram, we've been told that the line OAB is parallel to the line CQ. And what that means is I have this line cutting across the parallel line. So therefore, angle OAP will be equal to angle at Q, which is equal to 90 degrees. And the reason being, they are corresponding angles. So if you look at the diagram, this angle is corresponding with that angle. The second part of the question says calculate the value of x. Number 2, I have calculate the value of x. So I start by saying the line, let me take out those lines. I have AP is equal to AQ. And the reason being, we have that line from center of a circle perpendicular to the chord. That's the circle theorem that says that the line from the center perpendicular to the chord divides the chord into two equal parts or bisects the chord. So therefore, we've been told from the question that the line PQ is equal to 6x. So what that means is OA also have the final value of the line AP that will be equal to half of PQ. So I have 6x divided by 2, and that will give us 3x. Now if I go back to the question, I have the line OA, it's equal to the long line OB minus AB. I'm going to state that. So I have OA is equal to OB, which is the radius, minus OA. We know that OB is equal to OP, and that is because they are radii to the circle. So we know that the radius of a circle is the line drawn from the center of the circle to any part of the circle. So I can say that these two lines are equal. So therefore, OA, which is equal to OP minus OA, will be equal to, I have OP, that's 2x, minus 7, minus, then I have AB, I'm taking out AB, which is x plus 2. I'm going to put that in a bracket. That's equal to 2x minus 7 minus x minus 2. Therefore, my OA is equal to x plus 5. So I'm going to write that here, where a is x plus 5. So therefore, to find the value of x, I'm going to use the right angle triangle. I'm going to highlight that, OAP, as shown. So if I have a rough sketch of that here, it's a right angle triangle. I have O, A, and P. OA from the question, that's x plus 5. I have OP, 2x plus 7, and my AP, which I was able to calculate in the first part of the question, that's 3x. So because this is a right angle triangle, I can use my Pythagoras theorem to calculate the value of x. So Pythagoras states that the hypotenuse squared, that's OP squared, or the side facing my right angle, equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. And the reason is pi. Therefore, putting in my values, I have OP. Because it's an expression, I'm going to put that in a bracket. So I have 2x plus 7 all squared equals AP, that's 3x, also in the bracket, plus x plus 5 all squared. If I expand my bracket by foiling, on my left hand side I have 4x squared plus 28x plus 49 equals, I have 9x squared plus x squared plus 10x plus 25. I'm going to move all the terms to my right hand side. So I have 0 equals 10x squared minus 4x squared plus 10x, simplifying, minus 28x plus 25 minus 49. Therefore, 0 equals 6x squared minus 18x minus 24. To make it easy, I'm going to divide all the terms by the common factor, which is 6. That's x squared minus 3x minus 4. If I divide both sides by 6, the 6 falls away, so I'm left with the quadratic equation, x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. If I factorize, I have x times x, then I have negative 4 plus 1. So therefore, x minus 4 equals to 0, which makes x equals to 4. And on the other side, I have x plus 1 equals to 0, which makes x equals to negative 1. I can have a negative value for x because I can have a negative side. So therefore, x cannot be equal to negative 1. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Thanks for watching. Bye.